what is mean by 12-hour clock system and 24-hour clock system? We already know that time is divided into hours, minutes and seconds. Each day is 24 hours. Each hour is 60 minutes. Each minute is 60 seconds. Time is displayed in two ways. 12-hour clock system and 24-hour clock system. In 12-hour clock system, the day is split into two periods. In the first period, the time runs from midnight to noon. That is AM. AM stands for anti-meridian. That is before midday. In second period, the time runs from noon to midnight. That is PM. PM stands for post meridian. That is after midday. Coming to 24-hour clock system. In 24-hour clock system, the time runs from midnight to midnight. In 24-hour clock system, there is no AM and PM label. The general format to write 24-hour clock system is HH colon MM colon SS or HH colon MM. Here H is hours, M is minutes and S is seconds. Sometimes colons are omitted between hours and minutes. 24-hour clock system is also known as military time. We normally use 12-hour clock system. In some departments like airways and railways, we use 24-hour clock system. Next we will see how to change 12-hour clock system into 24-hour clock system. To change 12-hour clock system into 24-hour clock system, we should follow these rules. Rule number 1. From 12 am to 12:59 am, we should subtract 12 hours from the given hours and we have to remove AM label. Rule number 2. From 1 AM to 12:59 PM, there is no change in hours and minutes. The hours and minutes remains the same. And we have to remove AM or PM label. Rule number 3. From 1 PM to 11:59 PM, we should add 12 hours to the given hours and we have to remove PM label. Please note this point. If hour is less than 10, then add a 0 before this digit. So now let us take some examples. For example, we can take 12:15 AM. 12:15 AM lies between 12 AM to 12:59 AM. So now we have to use rule number 1. Rule number 1 says that from 12 AM to 12:59 AM, we have to subtract 12 hours from the given hours and we have to remove AM label. So 12.15 hours minus 12 hours. 12.15 hours minus 12 hours will be 15 minutes. If hour is less than 10, then add a 0 before the digit. Here 0 is less than 10. So now we have to add a 0 before hour digit. Next we will take another example. 3 AM. 3 AM lies between 1 AM to 12:59 PM. So now we have to use rule number 2. Rule number 2 says that from 1 AM to 12:59 PM, there is no change in hours and minutes and we have to remove AM or PM label. So 3 AM will be 3 hours. Because rule number 2 says that there is no change in hours and minutes and we have to remove AM label. Here 3 is less than 10. So now we have to add a 0 before hours digit. Next we will take another example. 12:45 PM. 12:45 PM lies between 1 AM to 12:59 PM. So now we have to use rule number 2. 12:45 PM will be 12 hours 45 minutes. Because rule number 2 says that there should be no change in hours and minutes and we have to remove AM or PM label. Next we will take another example. 2:30 PM. 2:30 PM lies between 1 PM to 11:59 PM. So now we have to use rule number 3. Rule number 3 says that from 1 PM to 11:59 PM, we have to add 12 hours to the given hours and we have to remove PM label. So 2 hours 30 minutes plus 12 hours. 2 hours 30 minutes plus 12 hours will be 14 hours 30 minutes. Next we will take one more example. 11:50 PM. 11:50 PM lies between 1 PM to 11:59 PM. So now we have to use rule number 3. So 11 hours 50 minutes plus 12 hours. 11 hours 50 minutes plus 12 hours will be 23 hours 50 minutes. The minutes and seconds never change when changing between 12-hour clock clock system and 24-hour clock system. Hope you friends all understood how to convert 12-hour clock system into 24-hour clock system. Okay friends, if you like